The mattress has arrived, guys.
Have a good day.
Oh, sorry. Thank
See you later.
Hey, have a look. That's your new mattress. Wow.
That's so massive.
Huh?
That's so massive.
It's massive, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's queen. That's queen size. It's bigger than the one we have in Melbourne.
Yes,
Oh, lovely.
that's
Oh, Josh. Ano ko? Your turn.
Mama's bed.
Yeah. Oh, can you pull it down here, Bob? Oh, no, maybe not. Just leave it there. for now. So this is just the mattress, guys. Yung ating bed frame is going to be delivered tonight, 6 o'clock now. So then we can do bed. Yeah, do you like it?
You can probably stay here if you want. Tonight?
No, not really.
No, stay here tonight, Bob. Actually, stay here tonight because you gotta be here. You gotta be here tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock.
Yeah. Yeah, probably have to take this out
I'm
now.
gonna take the plastic off now so I can dump it in the. I can dump it in the recyclables outside
Yeah.
because the rubbish is taken out tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Tuesdays. Remember tonight.
Yeah, how about this one, Bob? You have to ask them, you know? We don't really want to keep that.
Just put in the garage.
Yeah, okay.
Hey,
This is from Harvey. Was that Harvey Norman, Bob?
Yeah, the main.
Oh, the main. Yeah.
I thought it was tomorrow, so lucky, Bob.
Hmm?
I thought it was tomorrow, so lucky.
Yeah. That's cool.
And we're like literally a couple of minutes from walking out the door.
Yeah, so that's King Coil Ravello Medium mattress.
why this one I see this?
Yeah, I know. You were jumping on it. So, binili to siya, guys, half price. Dali ya? Half price. So, originally, itong mattress na to, it was for $4,000. And then, yeah, 50% off kasi nag-sale sila. So, yeah, purchased this for $2,000, guys. I know, it's not very cheap, but then, sobrang ganda ng kanyang quality. Nadia, did he say it's hotel quality? Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not, that's what they use.
Yeah.
They either use Sealy or King Coil.
Yeah. That would
The
be
King
very
Coil is
nice.
slightly softer than the Sealy. The Sealy's more like better structure.
Yeah.
Probably last longer, but this is probably more comfortable.
Yeah. So, bawi-bawi kami, guys, kasi yung bed namin sa Melbourne, di ba? So, like, it wasn't the best. Kaya sabi namin, like, mag-invest talaga kami sa, kama. Kasi, you know, you spend a lot of time,
On the bed.
well, yeah, on the bed.
That's right.
In your whole lifetime. Yay! So, we need, I think they said we need
Especially the way Daddy moves in the bed.
We have to get like a topper or the protector. Yay! Nice!
Now we go to bed now.
Yes, we get a bed now. And then the bed frame is coming tonight. Celine can lay down here. Baby, ay, sample Celine. Sample Celine. Now see? Celine is not sinking. Knock now.
Can you guys help? I'm a second month. Can you hear me?
Celine is not sinking. Is it comfy? Huh? Anya.
Is it nice?
A few moments later.
Open the door for Daddy. Open the door for Daddy. Yeah. Open the door. Come on, keep it open for Daddy. Oh, careful. Muscle man. Yan, guys. Anong oras na ba ngayon? It is nearly 9 o'clock ng gabi at ngayon lang tayo nakapag-update. So, as you can see, nandito pa rin tayo sa ating bagong place. And, after kanina, nung nag-tour tayo, nung nag-empty house tour tayo kanina, so, marami na nangyari, guys. Hindi ko nga lang na-vlog. So, we went for a walk around the area. nag-memory full kasi yung aking memory card kaya hindi ko na nadala ang aking camera. Anyways, we went out to get something to eat this afternoon. And then, umuwi kami ng hotel. So, yung nangyari kasi guys is, we decided na dito kami magstay tonight. Dito kami matulog kasi tomorrow, maaga, is merong magdi-deliver ng mga gamit. So, I think from 9, may magdi-deliver ng couch. And then the other one, the coffee table and the TV unit. So, instead na doon kami magstay sa hotel, doon kami matulog. Sabi ni Daddy Mike, how about dito na lang para hindi kami mag-rush bukas ng umaga. Kasi alam niyo naman, Daddy Mike will go to work tomorrow. And then kami lang ng mga kids. And then, I have to get them ready and all that. And you know what, 9 o'clock. So, it's impossible na makarating kami dito before 9. Very tired na yan si Daddy Mike natin, guys. Kanina pa yan siya. moving. Anyways, so yung dinadala ni Daddy Mike dito ngayon sa taas is yung bed frame. So, dapat sana i-deliver yan kaninang 6 o'clock ng gabi. And then, sabi niya, not until 7:30 now. So, yung ginawa namin, umuwi kami ng hotel. We took some stuff. So, yung mga damit ng mga kids, mga gamit ni Daddy Mike for his work tomorrow. Para, dito na lang kami magstay tonight. So, ayun nga, dumating na yung mga, yung bed. But, hindi pa namin yan ang tawag ito, ma-assemble hanggang bukas kasi tulog na ang ating baby screen. Tingnan niyo. So, ayan. So, ito yung bed. Lagyan lang namin ng kumot sa taas. Sleeping. So, dyan kami, bukas i-assemble namin yung bed frame para lagyan nila itong kama. And then, kanina pumunta si Daddy Mike sa naku, si Daddy Mike talaga, guys. Oh my God. Mabilis lang yung pagpunta niya ng shops para bumili nito. Para makalaba kami tonight. Ayan, ito yung mga gamit kasi wala pa talaga kaming gamit dito, guys. Ayan. Ewan ko kung anong gagawin ni Daddy Mike dyan. Anong lulutuin niya. But, Daddy Mike just went to get some fruit for Paris. And a drink. Water. For Paris. Ayan. Yung fridge, wala pa. Bibili pa tayo ng fridge. Maybe this weekend. Try to do it this weekend. So, yeah. Very empty pa talaga kami dito, guys. Yung sa hotel, we are there until Wednesday. So, yeah, we still have tomorrow and Wednesday doon. But yeah, I think it's a great idea na magstay muna kami dito tonight para bukas hindi ako magmadali. And, we'll just wait for the people to arrive. Magdi-deliver ng mga furnitures natin. Open the door for Daddy Mike. So, ayan guys, meron pa dyan sa taas. Pero isang lang dito. Paris is having something, guys, kasi hungry daw siya. Are you hungry? Simula nung na-hospital siya, guys. Kasi nga, di ba, nag-clear up yung kanyang tiyan. Ano na siya ngayon, ang tawag nito, sa awa ng Diyos, regular na yung niya ngayon, yung pagpupupo niya. And she's like, I'm hungry, I wanna eat. No? And she's more like, ang tawag dito, she's more open sa mga pagkain. Like, she loves eating more now, which makes us very happy. Very proud. Like, siya talaga yung kanina. Na sabi niya, Mami, I'm hungry. Hinanap niya yung strawberry. Yes, ate. And I'll do okay. I'll cut the mango for you as well. Say hi, tita. Late na guys. Nag-order ako ng ano. Ang tawag ito, nag-order ako ng Nando's. Kasi nagutom na si mami nyo guys. At kailangan namin ng ano. Kasi nagmamadali si Daddy Mike kayo na nung pagpunta niya ng supermarket. Kasi darating yung bed natin. Oh, yeah. Kaya nakalimutan niya yung ano, yung juice. Oh, that's a delivery. Hey, wait for mama. Hey, stop dito. Tell them where I'm going.
We are going to bed.
Dito? Oh, dito.
We're going to bed.
Huh?
We're going to bed.
We're going to bed. We're still 18. We're not going to bed yet. Dito na ang aking inoven. So we eat this. Oh, I'll have to make it.
I'll get you some pistachios. So remember, did you see EJ and Prince and Anthony eating the pistachios last night?
Okay, go. It's gonna work for me.
Huh?
You want to see?
What?
No, sound.
Looks like I should go. So. This one?
I don't want to go to school and I want to sing and to go to school someday together. And don't be scared. Let's go islands and water Rapunzel.
You're making it up? Making it up? So Daddy made, his, ano, what's this one ba? Fern. First time na ginamit ni Daddy Mike yung ating, ano, what do you call this one? Stove? Top?
Stay, mommy. Stay with mommy.
Is it good?
Hmm?
So it is electricity, yeah? Not gas.
Yeah, no, it's a very good brand, but I don't like electric.
Can't control really.
Mommy, sometimes you can go to school. This day and know what to do. You don't have to stay home all time. A way to go to and
Just making up the lyrics.
and you can
Di ba guys, tingnan yung ginawa namin na ito. So ito kasi, wala kasi kami makitang ano kanina, type measure ba? So yung ginawa namin, bumili si Daddy Mike nito, para malaman namin yung measurement niya. Ayan. Kasi bukas lunch break ni Daddy Mike siguro kasi malapit siya doon sa ano, homemaker center. Bibili siya ng ano, fridge. Yeah, because we really want the double, yung bang, ano, yung double door ba na fridge. So, we're not sure if kasha siya. But sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, basing on this one, kasi tingnan nyo, dalawa. Pwede sila ma-open doon yan. So, it looks like it's gonna fit. Yung nagustuhan namin na, ano, sabi ni Daddy Mike, lunch break na bukas, tingin-tingin siya. So, yung ginawa namin, ito yung ginamit namin. From here, pababa, and then, he'll just bring the type and see if,
I want to go down.
the measurement is, ano, mag-fit. Yes,
I
ano.
want to go down.
Okay, come down a bit. We actually have to say goodnight now, na? Because it's getting late naman. So yeah, guys, i-end na namin yung vlog dito kasi we are going to bed.
I said I want curry.
We'll brush our teeth first, actually. And then, yeah, we'll go to bed kasi tingnan nyo to, ang buhok ko. And then tomorrow is another. Unti-unti na natin tong i-fill ang ating area dito. So bukas yung couch, TV unit, and also the coffee table. So yeah, very exciting. I'm very excited, guys. So then we'll just do more vlog tomorrow.
That's the cricket.
Yeah. So thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed our empty house tour. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about it. Yeah, it will look nicer obviously kapag pag marami ng mga nakalagay yung mga decorations and all, but for now it looks very very flat. But yeah, thank you guys. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Ate Paris, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, yeah, okay, no, thumbs up. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. Ang ating baby sitting ay sleeping na. We hope to see you all on the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
Careful, bye. Mwah.